किसी भी खूबसूरत अवार्ड शो को और एंटरटेनिंग और लाइवली और ब्यूटीफुल कैसे बनाया जाए, ये बॉलीवुड के बादशाह शाहरुख खान से बेहतर कोई नहीं जानता। शाहरुख, वेलकम टू ज़ूम।
थैंक यू वेरी मच।
शाहरुख, सबसे पहले टेल अस अबाउट योर एसोसिएशन विद टॉयफा एंड द रोल यू विल बी प्लेइंग इन दिस पर्टिकुलर अवार्ड सेरेमनी।
I think personally I'll just be performing. I think I'll work out an act. I haven't started working on it. Next 3-4 days I'll sit on it. I have 2 months. And I think TOIFA is a good initiation and a newer award on a platform which is backed, Times of India Group. And I think, because of the base they have, the platform they have, you'll have, it's supposed to be voted. So it'll be an interesting thing to see that the international votes for Indian films, Indian actors, actresses, technicians, and also it gives us an opportunity to go and showcase our films internationally, which is very important. And I'll work out something with Shamak, who's already started working on the creatives.
परफॉर्मेंस तो आपसे बेहतर कोई नहीं कर सकता, चाहे वो होस्टिंग की बात हो, अवार्ड होस्टिंग की, या फिर परफॉर्म करने की बात हो। क्या इंग्रेडिएंट शाहरुख खान अपने दिमाग में रखते हैं कि मुझे ये पेश करना है अपने ऑडियंस को या व्यूअर्स को जो उस वक्त अवार्ड सेरेमनी देख रहे हैं?
No, I don't agree with you. It's not that I'm from stage and theatre. I've done 8-9 years or 7-8 years of theatre, and I like live interaction with people, whether it's through a performance or even hosting or just talking to people. I enjoy that a lot. The feedback is immediate. It's interesting. It's one take. It's not like films, and it has an excitement which is very different from filmmaking, which also is exciting.
Also, do you see award stage as a better platform to express yourself rather than speaking to media or channels or print when it comes to cracking jokes, when it comes to a sense of humor or addressing?
No, I don't think so. I think, very honestly, very few people have a sense of humor that I have. So no, I don't think so. I think lately in my award shows I have suppressed my sense of humor, and I will continue to do so because then it becomes a point in contention and controversial, leaves a bad taste. So no, I now try very clearly. That's why actually, as a matter of fact, although I told Toifa I'd like to just come and dance. I don't want to host. I like hosting. I like Filmfare. I like Z, which we hosted last year. I enjoyed that. But I think it's easier, safer, cooler, nicer, faster to just come and dance and finish it off.
Are you also amongst those who prefer national awards or popular awards? What's your take on this national awards versus popular awards thing?
I don't know. I like awards. I think if I perform well and if I'm recognized for it, I enjoy it. I'm very excitable. I'm like a child when it comes to a prize or an award or a present. So I enjoy it. I feel it's a recognition of the work as a star, as an actor, as a performer, or just as a box office, whatever. It's all rolled into one. So it gives you a kind of a satisfied end to the year if you get an award. So I get very excited, whatever the level of award is.
शाहरुख की अवार्ड की बात हो रही है, मैं कुछ कैटेगरीज फटाफट बोलूंगा। शाहरुख खान के नाम में दिमाग में जो भी नाम आता है उससे जुड़ा हुआ, वो उसका नाम ले सकते हैं। क्वीन ऑफ बॉलीवुड अवार्ड विल गो टू
whoever looks and feels like the queen.
रिस्क टेकर ऑफ बॉलीवुड इज?
I don't know. I have not been in touch with too many risk takers lately.
But you are the kind of person who likes to take risk when it comes to doing offbeat cinema like a Swadesh or a Chak De or making a film like Ravan, which nobody can imagine.
Yeah, but if I take my name, you'll think the awards are fixed. So I will not say.
Okay, the Bap of Bollywood according to Shahrukh Khan is the Bap of Bollywood.
The Bap of Bollywood. You know what? You should start in Zoom or actually you should tell Toifa. It'll be quite interesting to have awards like the Bap of Bollywood.
Yeah. But according to Shahrukh Khan, who is the biggest person in Bollywood?
I don't know. I think Amiji is genuinely the My Bapa and the Baba of Bollywood. Yeah.
Okay, the 100 crore man of Bollywood.
I don't know. I don't count monies.
But you said that
I'm not an accountant. I'm an actor. Talk to me about acting.
But you said that you like to speak about 100 crore and in your press conference you said that you like to speak about 100 crore.
If you want to ask me about 100 crores, you can ask me. I did not say I will answer you about 100 crores.
Shahrukh, just talking about awards, कभी काउंट रखते हैं अवार्ड में कितनी ट्रॉफीज आ चुकी हैं, कितनी आने वाली है, कौन सी चाहिए, ये वाले डिपार्टमेंट में नहीं मिला तो इस डिपार्टमेंट में मुझे लेनी है?
नो, आई हैव नेवर डन दैट. मैंने कभी ऐसा सोचा नहीं कि कोई फिल्म करो या कोई एस्पेक्ट फिल्म में करो जिसकी वजह से अवार्ड मिलेगा. माशाल्लाह मुझे बहुत मिले हैं, हर किस्म का अवार्ड मिला है और मुझे उसकी बहुत खुशी है. बट अभी भी मैं बहुत एक्साइट होता हूँ कि अगर सडनली ना मैंने कभी किसी से पूछा है, ना कभी मांगा है, ना कभी बोला है, ना डिमांड की है, ना कहीं पर मैंने तवक्को की है कि मुझको कोई अवार्ड मिलेगा, तो मैं जब रात को कोई अवार्ड फंक्शन में जाता हूँ, परफॉर्म कर रहा हूँ, नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं स्पोर्टिंगली हर अवार्ड फंक्शन को अटेंड करता हूँ, क्योंकि इतने सारे मुझे मिल चुके हैं। और जब भी मुझे कोई भी अवार्ड मिलता है तो मुझे बहुत एक्साइटमेंट होती है, क्योंकि वो अवार्ड्स जो हैं मैं अपने अब बच्चों के नज़र कर देता हूँ। तो मुझे बड़ा एक्साइटमेंट होता है, रात को मैं सूट पहन के जाऊँ और जब वापस आऊँ तो सुबह वो उठते हैं स्कूल के लिए, तुमको लगता है अरे पापा यू गॉट एन अवार्ड। सो आई फील वेरी एक्साइटेड, जेन्युइनली एक्साइटेड. I'm very childlike when it comes to awards. But I don't design a film or work for awards. When I get them, I'm extremely thrilled.
Well, Shah Rukh Khan, thanks a lot for speaking to us. Thank you so much.
Thank you. God bless you.